Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video we will demonstrate the working of the angle meter, inclinometer. It is a device which is used to measure the angle of elevation or angle of depression or horizontal angle. It is one of the application of the PIC 16F676 microcontroller by interfacing the LCD and the potentiometer. You can see this device is used to measure the angle. It is switch on off button, and one is the reset button and one is the LCD, and this is the potentiometer which a laser pointer has been attached to it. So how it works? First we have to place the angle meter on a horizontal place such a way. For example, we have to measure the angle from point A to point B. As you can see on the wall, this is the point A and this is the point A, and that one is the point B. For measuring the angle, first we have to set the laser pointer on the wall, and this way. As you can see, pointer is on A, this one. Now we have to reset the angle, starting angle. Press this button as the angle is 0. Now we have to raise the pointer on the wall in this way. This is the point A. So what will be the angle? The angle is about 36 degree. So the angle between point A and point B is 36 degree. Now this is the angle of elevation. Now let's find the angle of depression from point A. This is the point A, as you can see, and the point D is below the point A. Again we have to reset the LCD. Now we have to point to the D and this way. Now take the reading. The reading is about minus 31 degree. Minus sign indicates that this is the angle of the depression. Positive sign is for angle of elevation. So now let's calculate the horizontal angle. For this purpose we have to place this device, and now this can move horizontally about 180 degree. It can move up to 70 degree. It can move. It can rotate. So let's point it on the point A, and this direction. It is about above the point A. We have to measure the angle between point A and point C on the wall. Now let's take the reading. It is now reset the reading. As you can see, reading is 00. Now let's move it horizontally towards left side. Now look at the readings. The reading is about 43 degree. It is about 43. The angle is 45 degree. The angle is between point A and point C is 45 degree. And this way, by this device we can measure angle of depression, and this way angle of depression can be determined. Angle of elevation from A to C, A to B is angle of elevation can be determined. A to C, D angle of depression, and horizontally this way horizontal angle can also be determined. So it is one of the application of the PIC microcontroller, interfacing ADC potentiometer, and it interfacing of the LCD with PIC microcontroller to determine the angle of elevation. So it is much better from the protector, because protector we can measure the angle on the plane, but by this angle meter we can determine the angle between if the laser pointer is very high energy powerful. By the powerful laser pointer we can determine the angle between stars. It's not between stars, between two towns, two trees, or between any two buildings. We can determine the angles between two angles. The angle of the rainbow can be determined by this device, and angle of trees, angle of the aeroplane, angle and the angle of a tower and the mountains can be determined by a powerful laser pointer. So we just need a powerful laser pointer, and we can measure the angle and the degree of the angle meter. So it is a brief demonstration and the working of the angle meter. Thank you for watching our video.